Dear students, I am your math teacher from Paramount Public School, Chima. Beta, yesterday we have completed exercise 4.2. Today we will continue our next topic, lowest form of rational number. Beta is like the fraction. It is same. A rational number p upon q. Suppose you have a rational number p upon q is in the lowest form. Is in the lowest form if nothing is common between p and q except 1. That means their HCF of p and q is equal to 1. Understood? Rational number p upon q is in lowest form if HCF of p and q is equal to 1. Means nothing is common between numerator and denominator, as like the fraction. Understood, beta? Now your next topic is change rational number into lowest form. How to change rational number into lowest form. How to change? Now beta, suppose p upon q is the rational number. It is not in the lowest form. That means HCF of p and q is not equal to 1. Suppose HCF is equal to m. M is any number except 1. Okay? Understood? So beta, to change rational number into lowest form, divide numerator and denominator with HCF. So lowest form of p upon q, divide numerator and denominator with HCF, means with m. P divided by m and q divided by m. Understood? For example, I have a rational number beta 12 upon 16. Clearly 12 and 16, they are not in the lowest form. I want to change it into lowest form. First of all beta, to find the HCF of numerator and denominator, find prime factor of 12 and 16. Its prime factors are, now I know you can easily find the prime factors. It goes on to 6, again on to 3, on 3 and 1. And beta 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2 and 1. Now beta 12 is written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 and 16 is written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Now HCF is beta, what is HCF? Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Look at the prime factor. Find out whatever the factors are common. First beta 2 is common here. And 2 is again common here. Nothing is common except 2 and 2. Understood? So HCF is beta 2 is common and that 2 is common. 2 multiply 2, their HCF is equal to 4. Understood? Now divide numerator and denominator with 4 and change it into lowest form. 12 divided by 4, 16 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Now this is the lowest form of 12 upon 16. Understood beta? Clear? I hope you can easily solve these types of problem. Okay beta? Yes beta, your topic lowest form of rational number. Its based exercise is exercise 4.3. Question first. Determine whether the following rational number are in the lowest form or not. Beta, we can easily check whether the rational number in lowest form or not. Look at the first rational number. Is anything common between 65 and 84? Clearly nothing is common except 1. That means HCF of 65 and 84 is 1. So it is in the lowest form. So lowest form, first rational number in the lowest form. Look at the second one, beta. Minus 15 upon 32. There is anything common between 15 and 32 except 1? Nothing is common. Okay. That means HCF of 15 and 32 is 1. So it is in the lowest form. Look at the third, beta. 24 upon 128. Clearly they both are, 2 is common on the table of 2. So their HCF is not equal to 1. So it is not in the lowest form. This is not in the lowest form. And clearly last one, 56, minus 56 upon minus 32. 56 and 32 both are on the table of 2. Okay. So 2, at least 2 is common. Okay. So it is not in the lowest form. Rational number are in lowest form if nothing is common between a numerator and denominator except 1. Okay. So only first two rational numbers are in the lowest form. Clear, beta? Yes, beta, your question second is express the following rational number in the lowest form. First is easy. You try by yourself. I'm starting from the question second. Minus 36 upon 180. I want to change it into lowest form. I already explained in the starting how to change a rational number in the lowest form. First of all, find the prime factor of numerator and denominator. Now beta, prime factor of 36, it will be, you can easily find out, goes on to 18, 2, 9, 3, 3, 3 and 1. Now beta, prime factor of 180 goes on to 90 divided by 2, 45. It is divided by 3, 15 and 15 divided by 3 again, 5, 5 on 5, 1. So beta, 36 is written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. That is, okay. And 180 is beta 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. These are the prime factor of 180. Now beta, HCF, highest common factor, find out the common factors. Whatever are there, first is beta, look, 2 is common. And again beta, this 2 is common. And then beta, that 3 and this 3. These are the common factors. Clear? So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So HCF of 36 and 180 is 36. Now beta, to change minus 36 upon 180 into lowest form, divide numerator and denominator with HCF. HCF is 36. So divide numerator and denominator with 36. Minus 36 divided by 36. Clear? And 180 also divided by 36. 36 upon 36, 1 and sign of minus. And 180 divided by 36, it is 5. So now this is the lowest form of rational number, 36 upon 100, minus 36 upon 180. Understood, beta? Yes, beta, these are the pending parts of question second. 4.22. Third part is 132 upon minus 428. And fourth part minus 32 upon minus 56. Okay, beta, as like the Second part I have explained. You have to try these parts by yourself. I'm sure you can easily solve these parts. Yes, but our last question of exercise 4.3, fill in the blanks. First part is minus 5 upon 7 dash upon 35 is equal to dash upon 49. Now beta look here, up to here. 7 is changed into 35. That means how can we change 7 into 35? 7 multiplied by 5. 7 multiplied by 5. With same number you have to multiply the numerator. Minus 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25 upon 35. So in the first blank it is minus 25. Understood? Now beta look at the first and third part. First and that one. Okay. Now 7 is changed into beta 49. 7 is changed into beta 49. How can I change 7 into 49? 7 multiplied by 7. Similarly minus 5 also multiplied by 7. 5 into 7 35 minus 35 sign. 7 into 7 49. So in the second blank it is minus 35. Clear beta? In that way we can easily fill the blanks. Yes beta, next second part and third part and fourth part you have to try by yourself. Look at the part second beta. Minus 4 upon minus 9 dash 18. Now 9 is changed into 18. Minus 9 change into 18. 9 2s are 18, means 9 multiply minus 2. Similarly 4 multiply minus 2. 4 2s are 8. Here it will be 8. And here beta look, 4 is changed into 12. That means minus 4 multiply by minus 3. Then it will be changed into 12. Similarly minus 9 multiply by minus 3. Minus 9 multiply minus 3, it will be 27. Similarly you can do third part and fourth part beta. Look at the part fourth. In fourth part that rational number is complete, means its numerator and denominator we have both. Now beta look, 3 is changed into 6. How can I change 3 into 6? 3 multiply by 3 change into minus 6. 3 multiply by minus 2. Similarly 11 multiply by minus 2. 11 into minus 2, here it will be minus 22. And here beta 11 change into 55. So 11 multiply by minus 5, it will be minus 55. Similarly 3 multiply minus 5, it will be minus 15. Easily you can fill these blanks. Okay beta? Yes beta, our next topic is standard form of rational number. Standard form of rational number. Beta, a lowest form rational number P upon Q is said to be in standard form if Q is positive. Means beta, simply for example you have a rational number 3 upon 4. Clearly it is in the lowest form. Nothing is common between numerator and denominator. It is also in the standard form because its denominator is positive. And beta, if denominator is not positive, suppose I have written minus 3 upon minus 4, then it is not in the standard form. Not in standard form. And if denominator is positive, then it is in standard form. So clearly a lowest form rational number with positive denominator is said to be in a standard form. Understood beta? Based on this observation, your exercise 4.4, exercise 4.4, first question, write each of the following rational number in the standard form. Standard form. Okay, beta. You have to write the rational number in the standard form. For example, first part 2 upon 10. Clearly, beta, denominator is positive. 2 and 10. What is common here, beta? 5. Both are on the table of 2. We can cancel it. We can cancel it on a table of 2. 2 5s are 10. So it will be 1 upon 5. Understood? Clear? Now it is in the standard form. Similarly, beta, you can try third part. 4 upon minus 16. First of all, look at the denominator. Denominator here, beta, minus 16. So firstly, make the denominator positive. You know how to change the sign of the numerator and denominator. I have explained in the exercise 4.2. So multiply, when we have to change the sign, multiply with the minus 1. Numerator as well as denominator. Numerator as well as denominator. Now beta, 4 multiply minus 1 minus 4. And minus multiply minus plus 16 into 1 16. Clear? Understood? Now minus 4 upon 16 we can change easily it in the lowest form. What is the HCF of 4 and 16? It will be 4. Then divide by 4. 16, 4 divided by 4 and 16 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4, beta, 1, and sign will be minus, and 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Clear? Understood? Now it is in the standard form. Understood, beta? Clear? Similarly, beta, you can try other parts by yourself. Yes, beta, these are the pending parts of question first. Exercise 4.4. You have to try these parts by yourself as I have explained part first and part third. Firstly, beta, convert the denominator into positive form. Then change the rational number in the lowest form. Then it will become in the standard form. This is all about the exercise 4.4. Thank you, beta.